Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome, traders, to the big New Year's raffle by the TEFS. I see some of you are already here. I'm just starting the stream a little bit like out of extraordinary because indeed we need a little bit time to really find the winners for our 23 prizes, challenges, and packages, as you can see. Before we start the raffle, I'm going to do it live, as you can see here on the YouTube. Just let me just introduce myself for the ones who never seen me before. My name is Agnes Lafleur. I am the head analyst education and the head mentor of the traders, performance mentor for the traders here by the TEFS Proprietary Trading Company. We have a fantastic team indeed, and even a much more fantastic trading team here. We are calling ourselves like the TEFS Trading Family. We are trading here every day live from 9 a.m. market time till like 10:30. So if you have not seen us yet, please just subscribe, and I'm going to see you every day. And of course, I'm here for help you every day with the team of the TEFS Proprietary Trading Company to improve your trading cycle. So guys, here we are, and let's see what's going to happen today. Well, as you can see, hopefully you can hear and see me right. Please just let me know if the sound is okay. As you can see, I have the raffle board live and steady. We have 10 10K challenges, 4 50K challenges, 3 100K challenges, and 2 200K challenges. And the big prizes, everything is fantastic actually, but the biggest prizes are going to be the last ones. These are going to be the funded account packages. The funded account packages, they do vary from the challenges, because with the funded account, as you know, you can get a profit share immediately as you got the account. You can just start trading, and if you reach profit, you can withdraw based on the rules. Like there is a profit split, of course, based on the package which you are just going to win, and you can just start earning money from day one. So we have an intro package, student like package, and a student package. Thank you, Mr. Brackage. Nice to see you here. Happy New Year to you as well. We were trading on the 2nd already. I was here and we had a fantastic green day. So it was really, really nice to start this 2026 in green. And I can just stop it up now with this fantastic raffle. I'm just going to start it in like 2-3 minutes. Hi, Aldo. Nice to see you. Shirley, buenos dias. ¿Qué tal? And we still have Jesus here and Soboro. Good morning, good morning. Hola. Okay, guys. So indeed, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the smallest challenge, okay? And then we are going to get higher to the 50K, the 100K, 200K, and then the last ones are going to be the packages, I mean the funded account packages. Traders, before we just start the raffle live, I just would like to let you know, if you are going to be a winner, you will see the name and the ticket number definitely, what you have on the monitor, but we are going to contact you in the coming days via personal email, of course. And please don't forget that to get the prize, I'm just going to repeat myself after the raffle as well. We just would like to get a testimonial before, like a little favor, how you like the stream, how you like the whole, TEFS Trading Family and the Proprietary Trading Company, and then you can get a prize, of course. Hi, Kay. Used to follow your trading in TradeNet with my thank you. Yes, I am here. Actually, I've never finished, to tell the truth. I am with TEFS for more than a year now, but I'm so happy to see you here, and hopefully you're going to stay and trade with us again. We have a fantastic room, guys. You can check the actually the trading sessions back like 1 year. We have a great success ratio and even a much even greater fantastic trading family here. So let's see, guys. Okay, should we start, right? All right, let me see. Hopefully the technicals are not going to get against me. So I'm going to start with the 10K challenges, okay? So this is the first one, and I'm starting the raffle. Now let's see, first raffle is on. Rahim, congratulations, first winner. It's Rahim S. You see the ticket number, and as I've told you, I'm just going to contact you personally on email. Well done. Good luck for the ones, because here comes the second 10K challenge. And here we are, Giovanni T. Congratulations, fantastic. Let's see the third one. We are just choosing the ticket. So the third 10K challenge is coming. Hi, Bartivas. Happy New Year to you as well. We just started the raffle because we have 23 to give away, and we have Lucia. Very much congratulations. I'm so happy for you. So for you, a 10K challenge as well. We still have 7 to go, guys, just from the 10K challenge, and then comes the 50K. Here comes Ayman E. This is the fourth 10K challenge, 6 to go. Congratulations for all of the winners. And Faustino G, very much congratulations. Happy to see you here in the TEFS Trading Family. And as you know, you can just join the stream every day from 9 a.m. Here comes Mark M. Congratulations, another 10K challenge winner. We still have 4 to go, and we go to the 50K ones. And here it is, Alberto Martin V. Congratulations, guys. We still have some more here. So as I've told you, lots of challenges to go. Faustino G. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. That's a luck, isn't it? Someone is just starting the new year. Fantastic. Luckily. Yasin, I'm so happy for you. I know Yasin as well. Like I mentored him. I'm so happy for you. Congrats. And the last 10K here coming. How you could, by the way, you know exactly how you could get the tickets, and looks like there are lots of traders who go for it. And the last 10K challenge winner is Concepcion D. Congratulations, guys. And let's just see the 50K challenges. Here we go. First 50K challenge. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Faustino G. Oh my goodness. You are really lucky today. Actually, maybe there are more Faustinos, but this is actually a nice name. Well done. The second 50K challenge is Vasilius Z. Congratulations, Vasilius. Well done. Nice. Here comes the next 50K challenge, which is going to be for Wisdom S. Congratulations. And here we go for the last one. Fantastic, Jenny. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Here comes the 100K. Okay, Shashal, no, you cannot participate anymore. But you know what? I can definitely promise you this is not the first and the last challenge or a raffle, sorry. We are going to let you know. We were doing a huge promotion during December, but now you cannot participate anymore. I'm just going to tell you at the end how it was possible to participate. But if you just let me now, I am starting with the 100K challenges. All right, here we go. Sergey C, congratulations, first 100K challenge owner. Just got lucky, second on the row. DS, congratulations, and one more from the 100K challenge, which is actually a really nice challenge package already. And here we go. The last one is for DS again. Oh my goodness, guys, that's amazing. You are so lucky today. Here goes the two biggest last challenges. These are the challenges packages, guys. Then we are going for the funded accounts. Let's see, starting the first 200K challenge is going to go for Alberto Martin V. Good luck for the ones who have not won yet, and big congratulations to Alberto. And the last 200K challenge just coming now. Wow, guys, I'm so happy for you. Vasilia Z, oh my goodness. Yeah, actually, traders, the odds were just going up if you were just, sending the referral ticket to your friends on the social media and they registered, then you got 4 tickets. If you bought a challenge or a package during December, then you just got so many tickets as much you paid for the challenge or the funded accounts packages. So if someone just bought a VIP package, oh my goodness, that's a thousands, 10,000s of tickets. So that's the odds are going higher. So now comes the more interesting part with the intro light package. We have one intro light. This is a funded account package already. Thank you, Anne. It's so nice to see you. Yeah, I'm crossing the fingers for everyone, especially my TEFS trading room traders. And I'm just starting the intro light package. 3, 2, 1, and intro light going to Dinkaran S. Fantastic. Good luck with trading, and don't forget Dinkaran and every winners. We are here for you. I'm here for you every day, and I'm ready to trade with you every day on your very much well-deserved just won packages. Congrats. Here comes the intro package, guys. Oh, wow, only 3 left. So come on, intro package next. I'm just starting. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited who is going to be Alberto, man. Oh my God, Alberto, you are so lucky. I really, really wish you that this year is just going to go like that. Amazing. Okay, student like package comes next. 3, 2, 1, and here we go, Jose. Jose A just won the student like package. Fantastic. Congratulations, Jose. And I wish you lots of profit on your account. And traders, here is the last one. Here is the last one. Let's see who is going to win the biggest package, funded account package of 2026 first raffle. Let's see who is going to be that. I'm just starting. Good luck, everyone. I'm so excited. Luis Maria M. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy for you. Big congrats to you as well. This is a 66K student package. Guys, that was crazy. I'm so happy. I've seen some women name as well. I'm really happy for that. So the big winner is Luis Maria, but actually everyone just won. And again, if you have not known us yet, please just be remembered. I'm here for you every day. And if you are just going to stay now, I'm going to trade with the traders as usual from 9 a.m. We are doing preparation at 9:30. There will be a live trading. But for all of the winners, big congratulations. As I've told you, we are going to definitely write you an email like personally to contact you in the coming 1-2 days, okay? And then please again be remembered, we really really need a testimonial, and this is quite of a it's going to make you eligible to start your trading account. I'm so happy for every winners, and for the ones who just did not won, don't be disappointed. I am sure that our fantastic TEFS team is still going to be ready with this raffle in the coming year as well. So that was a really, really great chance. And again, how could you participate in the raffle? First of all, it was, of course, if you bought an account, even with discount, with the Christmas discount, you get as many tickets, as many accounts or challenges you bought, and you had in the client area referral link. And if one of your friend just registered to the test through your referral link, you got 4 tickets. And if he bought a challenge or a package, you just got the half of the both package or challenges tickets. So that was amazing. Yes, it's, oh my God, your friend. I'm so happy. Thank you, Jean. Oh my goodness. Wow, that was fantastic, guys. We are just starting this day really, really good. Very much congratulations for all of the winners. I'm so happy for you. And again, we are going to contact you in the coming days. If you have any questions, of course, you can just write an email at the info@tefs.com, and then we are going to answer you, but be definitely ready to read your emails in the coming 1 2 days, because we are going to let you know. All right, traders, I'm so happy for you. Let's see. Sorry, I did not have a chance to read your messages. Yes, Shasha, how to participate? Yeah, I've just told you before the offers ended. Okay, then you did participate. You did. Thank you, Anne. So Boro, I hope you did. Okay. Tijo, sorry to hear that, but don't be disappointed. As I've told you, the odds were going up. That's why I was just, promoting throughout whole December that we really need. I mean, you really need to get as many tickets as you can, especially, with friends referrals. It was easier as well and cheaper, but this was just like a very much by the luck winning, and I'm so happy for everyone. All right, traders. So that's it. This was the big New Year's mega raffle by the test. As I've told you, I really hope this was not the last of the year, and congrats to the winners. And again, this trading room traders every day, if you just subscribe to the YouTube, then I'm here for you every day from 9 till 10:30, and usually I'm trading with the traders 1 hour. Oh, thank you, Saboro. All right, traders. So that's it for today. Of course, I'm not going anywhere because I'm going to stay for the preparation session. I think we have a lot to talk about. A lot just happened during the first weekend of and actually this was the first weekend of 2026. So again, I just take this off and I am going for the charts. Thank you everyone who just participated in the raffle traders. We really appreciate you. And please don't forget, if you bought even a challenge or a package, you just got a voucher or the discount for a 26% coupon for the January. So if you want to buy another challenge or a package throughout January, you are entitled, if you bought last month, then you are entitled for a 26% coupon, which you have it in your client area. All right, traders. So let's just move to the charts. And again, this day is just starting amazing. Just let me get my things here around. Just a second. Okay. So I get this down and I try to get my fantastic charts here. I just need to do some adjustments indeed. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, traders. So give me just a second. I will set my charts here, and we are going to start the preparation for the trading day. Just a second, please. Okay. Let's get this done. Fantastic. Okay. If I'm doing it right, I am here for you in a second. You cannot see me now, but just a second. Okay. Okay, I have this one here. Just takes a little time now. All right, traders, so here are the charts. You can see me, you can hear me. Hi, Edwin, nice to see you. Thank you, Edwin. Okay, guys, so let's see what is just going on in this market for today. We still have 10 minutes to go. So, if you have anything like just run for a coffee, it's going to be like 1.5 hours until we are going to done with trading today, maybe longer if I will have some great trades to going on. However, at 5 p.m. I will have a private mentor traders, but until 5 p.m. it's my time. Sorry, I'm living in European time, so it's 11 a.m. in market time. So many time zones and so many people here from all over the world. I'm so happy to see it, but sometimes I'm just confused with these time zones. So that's why most of the times I'm speaking in the market time traders. Okay, indeed. So traders, as I've told you, again, for the winners, I'm just making sure that that everyone understood right, that all of the winners, congrats again, will be contacted via email in the next 2 days. And again, you need to give a testimonial before you will get the package, and the trading room is free for you, even if you participated in the raffle but you have not won. You still won something because you can just come in and join us trading every day. Okay, traders, so let's see what is happening on the market. Well, on Friday, we had a quite of a nice day. If I'm just checking the SPY, you can see that especially the triple Q was a little bit better than the S&P 500. Now we are starting in a very, very interesting level, I would say. Reason for that, as I mentioned I'm sure you were just reading the news about this fact that there was a little glitch in Venezuela between Venezuela and Trump. Indeed, now, well, I would say not just literally, but Trump is leading Venezuela. There are lots of opinions, what happened, why did it happen, and so on. I'm not going to go into these political things. What we are interested in, how it's going to impact the market. One thing is for sure, guys, today my main stocks are going to be the energy stocks. XLE, like the sector itself, XOM, CVX, all of the oil stocks, I think we should watch because, oh yeah, definitely, this is going to be our focus on, Edwin. I completely agree, I guess, in the Spanish room as well. And indeed, these are going to be my main candidates too. But don't forget the semis as well, because especially MU and VDA, they just try to make a quite of a nice comeback last Friday at least. They were not that strong, especially I would say NVDA in the recent weeks. MU is just, it's a beast. I'm just calling it the beast indeed nowadays, but I'm going to keep on my eye on MU as well, and VDA, and even on TSM, which just got some news. MU, it was really in a beast mode. We got some nice money from the MU from Friday, but I must tell you, when I've seen how much it just went, oh, I just felt so bad. Like I left some money on the table, but I'm not complaining. It was a fantastic start for 2026. I hope you too, and we are just ready to continue. Yes, Soboro, I think the market has been very lucrative under President Trump. Yeah, we can say like that. I really like your very much nice expression. I would say market is crazy. Since Trump just get into the White House. But you know what? We are day traders. We need action. We need volatility. So this is what we like, right? However, sometimes, especially, when the market is missing the volume, which we have seen in the recent days, especially because of the holiday season, holiday vibes, this can be a quite of a disadvantage because of whipsawing and very sudden direction changes. In these times, I'm always, trying to navigate my traders in the room, to be patient, not to trade so much. And so, of course, I'm doing mistakes as well. I'm a human being. Every trader does, but it's very important how you just control your mistakes, or how you are handling. Okay. Trump never stops creating problems. Yep, exactly. It's okay. Listen, for day traders, for us, it's quiet. Good. So let's just see again this beast. This is the MU, and the MU at the moment, as you can see, is just making a very nice move to the upside in the pre-market already. It's up another 2.75% based on the fact that it was just even 10% higher on Friday. So this is still in a moving up trend. However, you know what? I'm not going to repeat myself that this is extended. Everyone knows it's extended, but it's still climbing. Usually, though, when a stock is in an extended region, on extended levels, and it's breaking another very strong physically around number like 300, for example, I'm always watching this 20 area, like $20, more like 320 area, because usually it tends to make a possible reversal around that level. So now it's on 324, as I've seen, but you can see in the pre-market it was even higher. However, since then, that level, it started to pull back. So I'm going to be very aware of that high of the day, first of all, or it's not the day, it's just a pre-market. Okay, what else in here? As I mentioned you, the oil stocks, and especially the XLE. XLE, it is the energy sector, which is up at the moment 3.83%. Why? Because actually Venezuela has a really, really rich oil fields, and because of that, of course, everyone is watching the next impact, what's going to be on the oil itself. As you know, the oil is on a quite of a big lows for a while. I mean, like really, really on low levels, and it's just quite consolidating there. So some of the analysts and traders are definitely expecting it to make a reversal. Well, let's see if it is going to happen at all. If I'm just checking the ETF, what we have here in the TEFS platform, it is the USO. The USO on the daily chart, it is around this $68, $69 level. It's not a big dramatic break or reversal yet from this $68, $69 levels. However, in the coming days, as we know more and more information about how this, what I should call it, intervention of Trump in Venezuela is going to impact the energy prices, especially the oil and the gas oil, especially like the diesel, it is to be precise. Then let's see, because if it's just pure logic. If it's going to go up, prices are going up, transportation going up, inflation going up, which we don't need. Thank you. That was enough. That was enough to see this incredible, crazy inflation since the money printing during the COVID era. We don't need it. Thanks. That was enough. But unfortunately, this can be quite of a risk now for the economy. So all eyes on the oil. Yes, so Borough market is under his leadership will set new highs. Yeah, seems like actually, the market is acting quite, I would say, strange. I'm trading more than 16, 17 years now. I was there by the 2008 big, collapse and so on. but I've never seen such a strange market. Like the golden market is just going to go to the right direction. I mean, to the same direction. And indeed, at least the dollar is weak, okay? Because even if the dollar would go up, it would be like from the economic side a big anomaly, I would say. So it's consolidating and it's weak, but this is a quite of a strange situation. And don't forget now we have Bitcoin as well, and Bitcoin has some impact on the things as well. And you know what? As I just mentioned, Bitcoin, let's just see what the Bitcoin is doing. We try to trade some Bitcoin related stocks. We like trading it in the test trading room, to tell the truth. But lately, this is having some problem. I knew that for this news, what just happened during the weekend between Venezuela and US is going to break out. I have not, because I'm trading Bitcoin, I'm trading Ethereum, but just for the swing side. I'm not a day trader of the crypto. And as I've told you guys last week and the week before and the week before, I'm still waiting for this 95K. At least it is over the 90K area, which was like quite of a strong ceiling to break. Now it has broken. It's still going up, but 95 is still my level there to see anything on this Bitcoin indeed. Okay, traders, but we can watch coin and MSTR. Both of them are on my list, and I know you like BMNR as well. And BMNR at the moment, let me just check it. 3%. Nice. Finally, guys, maybe we will get this reversal on the BMNR. I would really be happy to see it. We are just waiting for it for weeks. All right, traders. So this has happened. This was the biggest news during the weekend. As you know, what I am starting with usually in our usual private or pre-market preparation. This is a little bit like not the ordinary way how we started. I'm checking all of the stock exchanges of the world, just to get a big picture what is happening all over the world. Now, Trump made it easier because this Venezuelan thing, it is quite of a big news for the market. Let's see how the other markets all over the world reacted on the news. Europe started nice green, actually, not CAC 40, but the DAX, FTSE, IBEX, even they are quite nicely up, especially the DAX, like the German stock exchange. In Asia, it was a huge bump, especially on the Nikkei, and Nikkei, again, getting closer to the 50K level, 52K level, sorry, it's over 50K for a while. Amazingly strong. On the dollar, on the DXY, it's not a huge impact yet, $98 level, so nothing, not a big thing. But on the futures, if I'm checking, everything is pushing higher. Again, I'm going to watch silver. We were trading silver last week, gold as well, and the crude oil, which at the moment it's not up yet too much, but I'm definitely going to watch it. Thank you, Edwin. Good luck to you as well in the Spanish room. Okay. Yes, Soboro, believe that the Venezuelan problem will be resolved and then we may see oil prices decrease or stabilize at a specific price. Yeah, well, Soboro, I know one very, 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 let's call it simple thing for the US. US people, and let me know if I'm wrong because I know we have US traders. You're always watching the price for the gasoline, not just in the US, all over the world, because this is going to cause, if the oil is going up, gasoline is going to go up, transportation is going to go up, and everything is going to go up, okay? Which is not good for us. So people are not happy when these things are going up. So I believe as well that there will be a little like a noise, but maybe it's not going to be continued because Trump knows exactly these things as well, of course. And you know why Venezuela is rich in oil. So let's just leave it. I'm not going to go into these things. And of course, definitely not into politics. We are still for the stocks here and the market. But I agree with you. We can feel and see some noise here, but I'm not going to definitely all in go buy oil because I'm not sure it's going to be continued. Hi, Arike. Nice to see you. Happy New Year to you. I hope you had fantastic holidays. We were trading on the 2nd already. This is a nice green day. And as you can see today, We have another big news with the Venezuelan things. So I'm just talking about this a little bit, like what we can expect from the oil and the energy prices, and hopefully it's just going to be a noise. We definitely don't need a higher oil. Crude oil at the moment it's around $58 area, so it's still not a biggie. If it's breaking 60, 62, then I'm starting to worry because these levels are quite of a strong resistances. Okay, so these levels, I'm definitely going to watch it in the coming days and weeks. And more news, because as you know, when something is like happening now, Denmark is afraid that might Trump is going for Greenland next. So indeed, you know, when these things are starting, it's getting a little bit more fear around the world, and everyone who knew that what Trump wanted in the past, they just got a little bit scared that maybe he's not going to stop by Venezuela. Well, let's see. I don't think so. Denmark tells Trump to stop threatening to seize Greenland. So this is another news on the CNBC. Of course, Russia is here because Russia's ally, it was Venezuela. China decries U.S. sanction action in Venezuela, even as it guards billion at stake. So as you can see, as I've told you, of course, all of the world just got impacted by this news. But so far, as we could see, the SPY and the triple Q are starting the day green, not in a huge green, but I would say it's a decent green. So my strongest stock at the moment is CVX. As I've told you, XOM is higher. Coin, as I mentioned you, that Bitcoin finally broke the 90K, but not yet the 95. So I'm still going to watch it. And if I'm just checking, the triple Q is up. Oh, it was just 0.50. Like half an hour ago, and now it's just broke out. So traders, this is a strong day now already. 0.85% on the triple Q, and SPY 0.39, because on the SPY, I think like the S&P 500, there is the oil, and there will be a lot of uncertainties throughout the day. So energy sector, it does belong to the SPY, not to the NASDAQ, by the way. So let's just see that. Hi, Amir. Nice to see you. Good morning. Yes, Saburo, America is trying to gain access. Yeah, of course. Of course, it does. I know. I know. We know exactly like the real reasons, but you know, of course, he did not tell this in the media. Let's just leave it, guys. We just need to trade what we see and go with the flow. Okay, this is very important for today. Don't be biased for the oil, because it can be quite, you know, to be biased on any of the financial assets or any of the stocks, anything like that. It's never good, because then you have an idea and you cannot get rid of it from psychological side, and it can be a quite risky for your trading. What could break out, which is why is looking for an alternative. Yeah, I would say maybe, but very hopefully we are still far away from a war, and it's not going to happen. Definitely since the Russia invasion to Ukraine, and then China started to do things around Taiwan and so on. Yeah, the geopolitical things, I'm just telling you for a year that it's quite fragile, and this is not a good point for the geopolitical situation now. But let's see what's going to be uh, at the end of this story. Hopefully it's going to, as you told, it's not going to be like, it's just going to be a noise. However, it's quite of a big thing. Good evening, Buzak. Nice to see you. Yes, CVX. I just mentioned CVX, and let's see why. In the meantime, as I've told you, the triple Q is very strong. SPY is half of the triple Q, but both of the indices trying to push higher. On the CVX, definitely I'm going to watch it. I am expecting huge volatility on the energy stocks traders. So let's just start our watch list. As I've told you, all of the world stock exchanges, they reacted to this Venezuelan news quite unshaken. I mean, rather on the long side, but I'm going to be still very careful. So CVX, XOM, Coin, MSTR, BMRN, BM RN. I'm going to watch them to the long side to the short side. I've seen like Apple is not in its best shape again. Like until the triple Q is 0.85 higher, the Apple is down 0.09. And as I've seen, JP Morgan 0.32 down. Johnson& Johnson, Baba, Disney are on the red side, including even Netflix, Meta, and Microsoft is not the strongest at all as well. J&J, I tried to short it. The only red trade what I had, it was J&J on Friday. I'm still going to watch it to the short side, but at the moment it's down only 0.75%. I'm going to keep an eye on it. HAL, oh yes, Halliburton, definitely we should watch it. I just got the J&J here, just a second. Hi Nathan, nice to see you. Okay, HAL is here. HAL at the moment, it is up like 9%. All right. And here we go. Just a second, traders. I just did not realize that my picture is too big. Okay, here we are. That's perfect now. All right, so Halliburton looks like as another continuation. You know what? I was just thinking of Oxy as well, traders, Occidental Petroleum. You know exactly this was one of the darlings of Warren Buffett last year, and seems like this is ready for a reversal. But we have so many that kind of stocks that I'm just going to put HAL and Oxy to the secondary list. But as I told you, traders, we need to watch them indeed. All right, what else in here? You just mentioned ZBIO. It's not tradable. By the TEFS traders, we are very much aware of the low volume, low price stocks because they can just cause some problems on the trader side as well, and I mean on the risk side. But if you have any like any favorable small stocks, okay, what you want to trade during the open, then please just, you know what, just drop me an email, okay, agi@tefs.com, because you know exactly that I'm just going to write immediately to our risk management team, and if they go with it, because it's not my decision, then definitely we can open it up and we can trade it together. ZBio, it's highly likely it's a biotech stock, which I know that they can be a really good pump and dumper stock, and we can have quite of a good risk reward ratio setups on these stocks. So let's see what our risk management team is going to go with that ZBIO. Okay. All right, ZBIO, I'm going to watch it, and you still have MNTS. Traders, if you still have, I'm going to ask this as well. If you still have any candidates for today, please just let me know. So far, again, coin, Bitcoin, MSTR, and these type of stocks on the watch, energy stocks on the watch, and we have some other stocks as well from the news, which I'm just going to check it. Of course, most of them energy stocks, as I've just told you, or oil stocks. Regarding the economic calendar for today, traders, it's not a strong one. It's a slow start of January. As I've told you, like we are going to get 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing prices, and that's it for today. But you remember, like last Friday, the news were quite impacting the prices, I mean, on the market. So I'm going to watch this 10 o'clock. Definitely we need to watch it and be careful. Tomorrow we are starting with some FOMC member speakers, final services PMI, so still not the strongest day on the economic front, but from Wednesday on, things are getting a little bit more interesting. And the reason for that, guys, that the second part of the week is going to be the labor market week. I mean, the labor market news week. And you know exactly how important is that, because 2026, as I've told you last week, we are starting with some serious question marks like sticky inflation and labor market, like unemployment claims and the rest. It was quite surprisingly good, but we will get the ADP non-farm employment change on Wednesday, plus even the JOLTS job openings, unemployment claims on Thursday as usual, and the biggest day of the week is going to be Friday, 9th of January, and there we are going to get the non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate. So big days are coming, especially from Wednesday. Today and tomorrow is going to be quite moderate on the economic side. Now let's see what are the movers according to the financial news. Of course, oil stocks. Indeed, so attack on Venezuela by U.S. led to ouster of leader Nicolas Maduro as they are seen as beneficiaries from the rebuild of energy infrastructure in the country. So CNBC mentions Chevron, Exxon Mobil, and Halliburton. Thank you very much, Buzak. Uber Technologies in the news as well, and it's just leaved 1% traders. And the reason for that, it got quite of a nasty downgrade from Melius Research, and the Uber is in a downtrend, not a long downtrend. It's just a, I would say, a midterm, rather short-term downtrend in the recent weeks. So when it's just touched the $100 area, now it's lower, starting with a gap down. You know what? We anyway do not have too many to the short side, so I'm going to watch Uber to the short side because of this quite of a not nice downgrade to start the week with. Here we are, Mobileye. Mobileye, you know MBLY. I keep an eye on it. It can be an interesting small tech stock, which I'm watching for years and I'm just going to start a swing position on that. But let's see what the news are on the Mobileye. It got a nice upgrade. So MBLY is up nicely. And as you can see, it's on a double bottom on the daily. I really love it. MBLY, I'm just going to move it just to the secondary list, okay? Because this is not a huge mover. However, it can have some good days. Hi, Zuki. Nice to see you. Good morning. HP, CVX, Halliburton already here. Hi, Alamu. Nice to see you too. Good luck for today. We are just getting our candidates because we are starting in like 30 minutes. HP, nice, I would say. It's looking really good. I have only one problem, and I have not seen the pre-market volume yet, but I think it's the pre-market volume. Yep, 16,000. A little bit too low for me, but let's see. HP, fantastic. So HP can be just on the secondary list because it's very strong, 6% higher. We have even ARWR. This is though ARWR. This is though a pharma stock, but it's up quite nicely higher. However, again, I missed the pre-market volume. Such a shame. Pasadena, based biotech, 3% after Health Canada approved its Redemplo drug to lower triglycerides in adults. That's a really good news, but not enough on the volume side. So let's just leave it. Here is NVIDIA and Micron again. As I've told you, they definitely on my list. The chip makers rose again to start the week, as we could see that the start of 2026 for both of the stocks were quite strong. So I'm going to watch NVIDIA, especially to the long side. MU2, MU, I don't know when it's going to stop, but with the MU, as I mentioned you, I'm going to watch especially the pre-market highs and this 320 area, which can be quite sensitive for this stock now because it's a bit extended. Duolingo is here as well, language education gap, which I really like because I'm using it to learn Spanish. And it's just up 4% after Bank of America upgraded to a buy from neutral. Very strong upgrade, but I'm not sure that Dual has a strong volume. So let's see whether we can go with it. Oh yeah, 46, not the strongest, but I love the fact that this is in a very extended area, I mean to the downside. So there is a possibility for a reversal on Dual. So this is going to be my last one on the long list. Guys, if you have any short candidates, please just go and share with us because I have only J&J and Uber. Saiduzuki, yeah, you just mentioned this stock and it's open now. Saidu it's still pumping. Oh yeah, secondary list. I agree. Yeah, Zuki, I think I'm going to leave HP. However, it's 6%. It's quite strong, but no, I don't like the volume. Oh. Sideways is looking good. Volume is much better as well. It's a pumping stock, like a pumper dumper, so be careful. It's pumping for a while. Maybe, as I've told you, these stocks likes to go for this $5, $6 area and then to decide whether they are able to stay above this excuse me, $5 area or not. So I'm going to watch that level again. And last week, I forgot SMCI and INTC. So this week, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on both of the stocks. SMCI is up already 2% and very extended on the daily. So SMCI. And let's see INTC. However, INTC can be so crazy because of, this Trump news, but still looks quite strong. So these two are still going to go there. Yes, Nitsan. Excuse me. Netflix can be a short. Again, let's see. I put J&J to the short side again, but I'm not sure we will have a trade on that. Netflix, yeah, that looks like such a nice continuation pattern, I must tell you. 99, 91. You know what? Let's check the pre-market lows. And I love the volume finally on Netflix is not that bad. Okay. Yeah, yeah. As I've heard, I have not watched yet the Stranger Things last episode or what, but it was quite of a big disappointment for the fans. So maybe that's why they just started to sell Netflix. I don't know, but yeah, you're right. Netflix, we can put it on the second or not the secondary on the short list, but I'm going to be careful with that Netflix. Actually, it's just moving as it wants. Oh yes, and we are just talking about what is moving how it wants and does not care about the market is Tesla. So let's just check Tesla too. Okay, it was good. All right, I have not. I still have like three episodes to go, something like that. Slowly, I get there. But happy to hear that. Hi, Jeremy. Nice to see you. CMCSA. Okay. CAPR and ASTS. Yeah, I like it too. CMCSA. Oh, wow, that's a drop. Mm-hmm. Finally, we have a short. Thank you so much, Jeremy. I don't have too many short candidates, but now I love CMCSA. Good volume, not the best, but good. I love the daily, and it's not a huge mover, but it can have some potential in it. And you are still watching CAPR. Oh yeah, Capri. Capricorn Therapeutics. I know that stock. I remember it was a big mover and now it's done. Do you think it's time for profit taking? Oh my God, that was a $5 stock and now it's 30. Mm, nice, but maybe stockholders starting to cash out. Yep. A little bit too many stocks on my list actually, so I'm going to be careful to put too many, but that looks interesting too. And ASTS, we know it got some news, and now it still looks like as a continuation. Yeah, nice volume. But oh no, it's just pulled back a little bit. This can be a 50-50, I think. Based on the daily, I still see a possible continuation, the ASTS. However, this is a riskier stock, so I'm going to leave it out, but we can just leave it on the watch list. ONDS, oh, we love these short floats. Thank you, Nitsan. ONDS, just checking. Fantastic. Yeah, that still looks strong. ONDS, I'm just going to move it instead of Oxy maybe. ONDS. As I told you, I do not want too many. All right, traders, I think I am ready with the list. There are way much more stocks for today, but I do not want to, we should keep it clean and rather less than more because we do not want to be distracted with too many candidates. What are my favorites? I just repeat myself. I really like CBX, XOM, HAL for today, Coin, MSTR, but again, these are going to be crazy. So I am expecting the usual Monday morning craziness. Okay, so the first 30 minutes, I'm going to be extra careful. Let's see how the market is performing. Triple Q is up almost 1%, but the SPY is 0.5%, so not that weak. So let's see how this market is going to react on the things. So on my list, it's XOM already, AVGO, MU, Coin, Apple, INTC. I'm going to change days. Baidu pulling back also. Thank you. I'm just going to put here Baidu. Based on the daily, guys, if I'm just checking the triple Q, it's still in this triangle formation on the daily. It's like just going like that. It's so ugly, I would say. We are going to break this triangle over 630 or under 600. So there is still a lot to go. It's just on the 619 area. 620 is going to be a strong resistance on the triple Q. So traders, we still have 5 minutes to go. So again, I'm going to watch coin MSTR. It's there already. Which one? GHRS. I'm afraid we cannot trade it, Nitsan, but I'm just checking again. GHRS with the management team. All right. Fantastic. I've just asked the risk management team. Any special news on that? Okay. No, I can't trade it, but we will check it. All right, traders. So I'm going to move first BMRN BMNR or BMRN. I always BMRN. Yes, BMNR. I always check this or change these symbols. BMNR, XOM, coin. No, MSTR. I'm just a bit afraid of this stock because this can be so crazy spready. This is the only thing why I'm a bit afraid of. Tesla I'm going to watch, and just to check Tesla at last, but not least. You remember we thought that my Tesla is going to be a nice reversal on Friday already, and it just followed the cliff? And seems like it still cannot find the footage, but now it's starting with a 2%. Alemu, do you have any idea about the Tesla? I'm just asking Alemu because he likes trading Tesla and he's trading Tesla very well, actually. And Buzak, of course, because you two like Tesla. Sometimes I do trade Tesla as well, but it needs to be an A plus setup. Okay, so as I see, it's over the 50 EMA on the daily. I mean, in the pre-market, but I'm checking the 50 EMA daily chart. On the daily chart, it's just moving above it, which is a good sign. That means if there will be a quite of a piercing line kind of a day, then it can go to 460. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, guys, I'm going to watch Tesla too. Hi, Charlie. Nice to see you. Good morning. All right, traders, we are starting in less than 2 minutes. Good luck, everyone. As always, we are not running. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon. We need 2, 3, 4, 5 good trades. Depends on the market, how it's going to give us, show us. Let's just go for the quality trades, especially in the first 30 minutes, because it can be extra crazy. The first 30 minutes, Monday craziness. And maybe after the first 30 minutes comes the famous Monday reversal, which again, it's a big question mark now as we have such a lot of news going on at the moment on the geopolitical level. So I'm watching NVDA, Tesla, as well. CVX, it's on my list too. MU, definitely. Coin MSTR, BMNR, guys, BMNR. I just changed the two letters there. Duolingo is not bad either. To the short side, we have CMCSA, which looks quite good. It's from Jeremy, and Netflix, which is not bad either. NFLX, here we go, which I'm going to watch Microsoft, CVX, SMCI, and the rest. All right, MNTS, yes, Buzak, MNTS was already mentioned, but I think I still cannot read it, but I just asked the risk management team. Hopefully it's going to be open soon. CVX checking. CVX though it's in already a big gap up, and but still looks like as a continuation. However, again, I think the impact on the oil stocks, energy stocks is going to be crazy. Guys, just a second, I will be back. Okay, just was my little dog. Good luck, everyone. We're just starting. Tesla week, if the market fails to rise, then show, okay. Okay, Alamo, thank you for your insights on the Tesla, very much appreciated. So good luck, everyone, guys. We are starting in a nice gap up with both of the indices. However, the SPY is not that strong. Then the triple Q, I keep an eye on the watch list stocks, definitely, and on the big semis, especially MU, Oracle, AVGO, NVDA, maybe even TSM, and the small ones like SMCI and maybe INTC too. Let's see. Baidu gap down. Interesting. Okay. SPY, nice green candle to start with. It doesn't mean anything yet. 620 again on the triple Q. AMD checking. Yeah, of course, AMD, we need to check it too. Nice. But the third day is starting with a gap up. 240 is possible, doable for today. If it's going to be strong, let's see for gap and go. Looks good. Same for NVDA, 200 is on the horizon. If we got support from the buyers, but nothing is sure yet. SMCI is starting strong too, like SMCI is 32. How about the Bitcoin stocks and CVX, of course? CVX nice, pulling back. That can be a gap and go. Oh, Netflix is not doing too much. AMD, I don't need a extended session, and I need the 1 minute chart. I'm watching the stocks in 1 minute chart in the first 45 minutes. Okay, guys, Microsoft is weak again. CVX looks like as a gap and go. XOM2. BMNR, ooh, I like 3250 on BMNR. AVGO coming back. Okay, MSTR 165. That's a nice level there for gap and go and coin. Now let's see. Bitcoin at the moment, it's quite good. Market is a little bit struggling, especially the triple Q is moving back. So the first gap and go possibilities, opportunities on the setups, it can be CVX and coin or MSTR. How about SMCI? Oh, by the way, it's a bear flag. Microsoft week. Oof, Tesla. Alamo, look at Tesla. My goodness. Tesla, it's in the beast mode now. Irene. Oh, yeah, we love this small stock, don't we? Okay. Oh, yeah. Irene looks very good, Jeremy. I love it. Too late for me to join, but if it's making another setup, I'm going to join for sure. Looks really, really good. Traders, MSTR looks really good over 164.60. I'm just going to take it with quite of a half share size. It's very early trade for me. Now what? I'm going with 164.60, yeah. 60, half share size. And the stop loss is going to be under the lows. Under the lows. Let's see. Coin BMNR looking quite strong. 64, 160, 164.64 is going to be my entry. NVIDIA looks like it's a nice bull flag. So does SMCI. Netflix moving higher. Beautiful colon Irene. I just was a little bit too late on that. XOM, CVX, so. CRWB. Oh, Humble Ninja, we have not traded this stock for a while. Hi, nice to see you here. Oh yeah, that looks strong. I love it. Maybe I'm going to change it with AVGO. Yeah. CRWB. Nice. All right, traders, the market so far, it's getting a little bit like in a trouble, especially the triple Q is breaking the lows. So we should be careful on that. AMD, SMCI, Tesla are strong. Tesla was way too quick for me for this reversal, unfortunately, but looks so good. I still like MSTR. I'm watching MU is just building or a field. Sorry, guys, my dogs. So MU is just filling the gap. I'm going to keep an eye on that too, but the market is still a little bit on, it's muted, like no continuation higher, and the triple Q is breaking the lows. So still anything can happen. Yeah, Jeremy, I'm watching MBLY too, but it just pulled back from the 12, so I just took it off the radar. But maybe I'm going to change it to XOM, MBLY. How about Halliburton, HAL? HAL. No, oil stocks are muted too. Okay, so MSTR is still consolidating. Actually, I have not seen too many. Irene was really nice. SNDK check. Oh yeah, I like. I know you like it. Yes, it looks very nice, Buzak. But again, I need a better risk-reward ratio. I will keep an eye on it. Traders, Tesla looks quite strong. NVIDIA, it made a pullback and making everything lower. Triple Q, as I've told you, the 620, it worked as a stronger resistance. So far, not really strong. I still like MSTR though. I still like MSTR. I keep an eye still on the oil stocks. MBLY is not bad, Jeremy, but it just pulled back now. So let's just leave it like that. And MU reversal, it can be maybe interesting. MSTR. Okay, I just checked the risk department. Not yet. No entry yet. MSTR was quite close though. Now it's in. We just need a continuation. SPY triple Q getting a little bit nervous here. On MSTR, actually, I really need at least a dollar, one and a half, rather like around 166 would be a nice profit taking there. Nice. Go, go, go. Beautiful. MSTR, just the usual, guys. 75% going to be off soon. Stop loss near to the entry, and that's it. Come on, MSTR. I know you are nervous, stock, but at this time, please just go. Trend EMA is in a way. Come on. I mean, on the daily. Good, good, good. Let me just check exactly where is our biggest enemy. 167. That's good. Okay, okay. Still can go. Come on, Spike. Come on, Triple Q. Come on, Bitcoin, especially. Bitcoin, especially what we need to see stronger and higher. NVIDIA is not the best. Ooh, Alamo, I took my eyes off Tesla and it's making a bull flag. But not that convincing yet. Coin is really thinking on the breakout on the 250 as well as I see, but the market is still not with us. It's just consolidating, not good. And triple Q is moving lower. No, no, no. I don't want to see a false breakout MSTR. Come on. You see, that's why I took it with a half share size. Market is still hesitating a lot. And in this case, you know what? TQQQ is on my radar too. because if this market cannot stay stronger, definitely I'm going to watch TQQQ for a short. Usually I'm shorting rather TQQQ than the overall market. MSTR is still trying. MU, it's making a 315 reversal. AVGO checking. It was on my list. I just moved it. Oh my goodness, it's in a free fall again. Are you kidding me? How about Oracle? Come on, MSTR. 90 more cents to go. Look at that. Oracle up, AVGO down. But AVGO, it's just suffering for weeks now. Okay, NVIDIA is making a move back. CVX moving back traders. SPY glued to the VWAP, triple Q under the VWAP. That's not really good for the tech stocks, but they are still fighting. MSTR is good, but we really, really need a strong move now. Like not just this, I don't know whether I want to go up or not. Oh, here we are. Come on. MSTR. Oracle is breaking out. What SMCI? Just checking the right of down. Everything is giving up. That's weird. That's weird. That's why I've told you guys that we need to see what's going to be the impact on the market after the open. Hood, look at Hood as well. So either this is a nasty bear trap, or we are going to see a quite of a ugly red day. AFRM is strong. SNDK, I like it better now. Buzak, SNDK. Still waiting for the first partial on MSTR, which is looking a bit better, and coin is ready maybe to break here. I just missed the breakdown on the SNDK. Well done on the SNDK. If you are in, there is the partialing point. And finally, traders, MSTR. MSTR, I am ready again. Take 75% of my share size. Here we are, 166. This is what I wanted to see. And I'm going to move my stop loss just slightly under the VWAP, under the entry. Market is still not the best. It's trying to find its direction, and very good. I just got my 166. I just took my partial. Oh, you cannot see it. I just to be very transparent, I'm just go to the settings and visual trading, so you will see that my entries are visible. And here we are, you see. So I took my first partial here, and my stop loss is going to be just under the entry, okay? Like usually I put in a half hour, but I'm not sure that it can make the big move. If it's coming back for a second entry, I'm going to take it. But so far, my entry my stop loss is 164 and 50, under 164 and 50. And which one? MU Buzak. Yeah, you know how I'm hunting for this stock for a final nice reversal. But do you think this is the day? And yeah, maybe this is the day. You're right. You're right. I missed it. I'm still going to keep an eye on it, but I missed it. So traders, first trade, LSTR, 75% off. If you took coin rather, then good luck with that. That was a nice one over 252. I just did not want to take, two trades on the same sector stock. Tesla, very nice. Microsoft, which one? Amazon and Meta, Jeremy. Yeah, I had to put this down because I had no more. Oh my goodness, that's a nice one. Okay. MBLY, you know what? I just let it go. Meta, Amazon, very strong, but Microsoft not. So maybe we should keep an eye on Microsoft. All right, traders, on the MSTR, my second partial is going to be just before 170. Just before 170, market still no direction. The trading is going on for 30, 40 minutes and still no direction. It's okay. Lunar, let's see LUNR. Looks strong, looks nice. But a bit crazy. Volume, not bad. Okay, we can keep an eye on it. I'm not taking a trade just yet. I'm going to watch it. All right, traders, spies over the VWAP, getting close to the highs, and the triple Q is trying to make a reversal too. Regarding the MU Buzak, now it's going to be the big test. If the market cannot break the highs, I'm going to keep an eye on MU and just short it under the lows. But we need to see some market weakness for that. Traders, again, regarding the MSTR trade, I just took here on the 166 my 75% of the share size. Stop loss is going to be again just on 160. Actually, we can put it on the entry now because it's just breaking 166 nicely. Oh yeah, SLV and Roku, surely. Roku, I have not traded this stock for ages. I must tell you that looking good for a long. Volume is so-so and a bit spready, but you know what? We can watch it. That can be a quite of interesting stock actually. All right, traders, SLV checking silver. NVIDIA making a reversal, SMCI not really. SLV looking good. SLV actually it is looking good. I'm going to watch this 70, 69.30 area. Until 69.30, I'm not sure I want to take it. Stop loss on the MSTR is just on the entry now, traders. Beautiful trade on coin if you just took coin instead of MSTR. There is the partialing point now and SPY breaking the highs. SPY breaking the highs. Let's see whether it's going to help for the tech stocks. SLV is here. I did not take it. I'm not quite convinced yet with the setup. Soundhound is strong again. Should watch Soundhound and BBAI. There's two small AI stocks which I like. BBAI is not doing too much. All right, traders, MBLY we mentioned, which is not doing too much at the moment. Maybe if it goes back over 12. Market trying desperately to break over the highs, but not a huge success. And we got a partial already MSTR and my stop loss is on the entry. My eyes are on MU, SNDK. I like SNDK more and more. CVX Buzak just checking. CVX, now I want to see, you know what? I missed this beautiful bullish engulfing bottom reversal. Now I just would like to see it around the VWAP and take a intraday breakout rather. Okay, but if you took it, good luck. And yes, MU, I'm interested in MU. I'm a bit afraid I'm going to burn myself. So again, just a half percent or a share size. And my entry there, 313.50. I mean under. Okay, let's see on the MU. Baidu not doing too much. Okay, and SNDK is not bad for a short either. So my second trade is going to be MU. Stop loss on the MU traders over 317. Actually 318. I'm going to be really generous with this trade. I'm taking a little bit more than a half share size and I'm going to take it on 44, 313, 44. And SNDK looking much better now. SNDK looking much better now for the short. It's a double top on the daily. It's a very strong stock though, so this is a bit risky as well than MU. Let me just check how spready is it. SNDK. No, I'm not that. I am not that brave on that. Indeed, I'm in MU. SMR. Ooh, nice Nissan, but it's too late for me. It's too late for me. I want to see a comeback, like a pullback, and then a reversal. All right, MSTR is still okay. MU would be around 311, 312. Would be a really nice partial. MSTR still going. Market doesn't look good. So far, market doesn't look that good. Nvidia is going down. AVGO is going down. How about Apple? Oh my God, Apple is just going down, traders too. So traders, I have MSTR, 25% of the share size left. I want to see 168.9 for the second partial. MU, full share size, I mean, a little bit more than half share size. This is the full share size. And I want to see 312 for the first partial. 312, 312, 311. Stop loss over 317 now. SLV checking. Meta very strong. Oh my goodness, that's a strong one. Roku, I don't like Shirley. It's still not moving that good as it used to be. So I'm now going to take it. Phew, I burned myself with silver, Jeremy, last week. I don't know whether I want to take that, actually. It looks so much tempting over 69.50. I completely agree with you. Oh, nice, MSTR. Go, go, go. I completely agree with you. It looks amazing. No, bit afraid of this silver. However, if I check the volume, it's quite nice in the green candles, like it's strong in the green candles. Maybe just for a scalp. No, I'm still thinking on that. I don't like though the SPY. Now it made a nice breakout over the high of the day, and now it's just pulling back. Or MSTR still looking good. MU so. CVX going lower. You see, that's why I did not want to take it for long. MU is still fighting. Market is fighting. Market is going to be in a big trouble if both of the indices are going to break the lows, I think. And my weakest stock, it's AVGO and J&J, guys. I was not watching my enemy. And it was working. You see, J&J, this what you have would have been done on Friday. Friday, I had a losing trade on J&J short, and now it's just doing exactly what I wanted to see from J&J. Now I'm not going to take it. It's too extended. Okay, waiting for MU and waiting for the market to develop something here. Oh, come on, MU. Leave me alone. You are just going to do another 10% day, which is possible. Google is still strong, traders. Amazon, Meta are strong. MSTR looks fantastic. Unfortunately, MU doesn't look good, but I'm still okay with that, especially as I see that the SPY is just on a brink for a breakdown. Just checking the other stocks. NVIDIA is thinking on this 192. XOM. XOM looks like as a double bottom. All right, traders, MSTR 167, $2 more to go to take a partial. Unfortunately, MU doesn't look good. Just thinking to even half the share size if it breaks the 315 to manage my loss. And here comes the silver, Jeremy. Here comes the silver. If you're going to take it over 69.50, good luck with it. MSTR is getting closer to my second partialing point. And the market is still unknown. Still unknown. Okay, AVGO amazingly weak. Roblox again. Apple trying to make a reversal here as I see on the 270 and the 50 EMA. MSTR still fantastic. Not a nice market so far, traders. Not my favorite market at all. Must tell you, this is definitely not what we want to see on a Monday morning, but it's quite of understandable, especially because of this, you know, there's news all over. Not the best news, definitely, for a good working market. However, this MU, I don't like it anymore. I really do not like it anymore. Still in a small downtrend, so I still do not touch it. But if it's breaking this 315, 60, 70, I need to take off the half to manage my loss. Okay, Microsoft in the meantime, as I see that Amazon, Meta are looking really strong, I'm wondering whether Microsoft can make this reversal with Amazon and Meta. In this case, I'm going to watch it around 473.50 for a long. And last chance for the MU before I'm just lowering my share size in here with a smaller loss. SPY triple Q is struggling a lot, completely glued to the VWAP, small consolidation, no direction after the gap up, not a good sign. NVIDIA desperately trying to reverse just like the Apple and unfortunately my MU. Nice on silver, Jeremy. It's working. Light. Oh yeah, this is a big pump and dumper nowadays, right? This is a dump. I see what you mean. Hmm. Too much to the downside already, unfortunately. Okay, traders, as I see, I won't have any other choice than just to lower my share size on the MU. It's not nice. Just cannot get sold off. It's amazing. Market is still on a verge, still a bit more patient, but not for too long more. J&J, amazing. This is what I wanted to see on. This is what I wanted to see on Friday. Last chance for the MU and MSTR traders. I'm going to take one more partial around 168. Okay, 168. Market is still struggling big time. SMCI down, CVX back to down as well. JP Morgan from red to green. Amazing. She's getting stronger. Now let's see the others. UPST strong today as well, traders. No entry at the moment. MBLY just struggling here. Hood. This hood is crazy too. Mainly because of the Bitcoin. PLTR was a big red day on Friday. Now look at that. It's just trying to make a reversal. We can keep an eye on PLTR, I think. Maybe instead of CRWV, no volume in the stock. MU, it's pulling back a bit, but it's not meaning anything. It does not mean anything yet, unfortunately. Okay, when I do not have enough candidates because market is not moving, so it's mostly the big stocks are not moving either, I'm using a feature in the TEFS platform traders, which is called the gainers and losers list, and we can see the strongest and weakest stocks of the day, which is quite good. Like there is Light, for example, or Sienna is here too. I'm just going to get okay, Sienna ARWR, which was in the news too. So Sienna is down, but it's just a straight green line. ARWR, and 3 more minutes till the famous first 30 minutes reversal, if there will be any reversal at all. Until this point, I'm just checking the stocks. APA, this is an energy stock as well. Look at this big pullback. DVM is the same energy stock and down like crazy. Tesla, yes, Tesla, I'm just watching it for a VWAP reversal to Alamu. I like it. Just going to check it. Okay, traders, on the MSTR, I'm going to move my stop loss under 166. Stop loss under 166 on the MSTR. And I'm really ready to reduce my share size on the MU. It just doesn't want to work, and now it's just making a very ugly consolidation, which is not my favorite actually at all. Market is still completely stuck. That's it. I think market is waiting for something like some more insights regarding Venezuela, regarding the I don't know what, but does not look good for sure. Looking still better for the bulls because we just started with a gap up, but still not the real thing. So MU, I just lower the position. It's really not doing a good job here, unfortunately. PLTR moving higher. SPY triple Q again on the VWAP. NVDA completely stuck there. Tesla, I'm still not calling it. Just would like to wait out for this 1 minute on the Tesla. And on the MU, lowering my position over the candle's high, which is 316.50. It's half, it's going to be out. MSTR still okay, but I think I'm going to be out under 166. Looks like the 20 EMA, it's quite of a strong resistance there. All right, traders, so again, waiting game, market, first 30 minutes level is here. MSTR going to be out under 166. Meta, wow, Meta is going like crazy. Look at Meta, guys. Which one? ISM, Alemu? Ah, yes, 10 o'clock ISM, exactly. So we have like double impact now, the ISM and the 30 minutes. All right, traders, so far MU survived. I'm just checking the ISM numbers. Just a second. I'm still not taking any trades because of 30 minutes and the ISM final prices. PMI, okay. ISM manufacturing PMI 47.9, lower than expected. ISM manufacturing prices 58.50, and this is lower than expected as well. So far, worse than expected news, which is can save or MU finally. But MSTR, I'm going to be out in 20 cents, like 165.90. I'm going to be out. Okay, MU. It was just a last minute that I did not take the partial there. I mean, in the loss. And I'm just going to take MU officially. Whew, that was it's a hard trade. 75% of the share size, 75% of the share size. Not a big, profit, but I do not want to risk. I do not want to risk. And MSTR still survived, but I'm just going to move my hard stop loss under this green candles low. You see, this is really easy on the TEFS platform because you just get this SL level and you just put it there. Whew, okay. And you see, that's why I was just taking a quick partial 75% out MU because I knew it's going to go back. I know level 2, you need to be so much. That's why when I just took the trade, I've told you that the stop loss is over 318 because I know that this is the type of a day when you need to be generous. I'm rather taking lower share size than to, shaken out and then I'm just, oh, shoo. But this was just, you know what, impact of the news and the 30 minutes. Look at that, bam, down, and now it's just going up. I mean, not the MU, but the market. MU, let's see. MU, I'm going to be out traders over 314. If it's going back over 314, I don't want to keep even the last 25%. Microsoft, sure. Okay, and I'm out, unfortunately, from MSTR. That was a nice trade, but it's okay. All right, traders, MSTR, Microsoft, sorry. Microsoft looks like, oh yeah, 473.50 still. Mr. Brakic, this is what you are watching now? This 473.50? I'm a bit worried though, a little bit worried about the Microsoft because no volume, which okay, like like it still can catch up with the volume. I just do not like that there is no volume on the stock today. Okay, come on, MU, don't give up. MU last 25% of the share size in. Anyway, nothing else. MSTR just dropped out on 165.90 and market is still unknown, guys. This is a typical day when less trade is better than just over trading. Ah, no, it cannot do it. MU is out over 314 traders. 314. It was a small winner. It's okay, but at least a winner. Today, green is good. Even if it's small green, guys, it's completely okay. By the way, Mr. Brackage, not just Microsoft, what we can watch, but look at Google. However, the Google daily with this very small inside day, I don't know, that looks so ugly. Maybe we should stay with Microsoft. You know what? I'm going to watch both of them. So traders, I am flat at the moment. Market again pushing to the highs, and it's really strong or a really hard market to trade today. I must tell you, most of the traders are still not back, and as you know, Novigo is still there in the Orthodox religion. So most of the traders are still off. So I'm expecting quite of a low vol, even despite of that we have lots of going on in the world with this Venezuelan thing and so on. I'm still expecting a light volume this week. So that's why I mentioned you in the beginning of the week or a day as well that might I'm going to go with half share size. The MU was a little bit higher share size than the MSTR, but the MSTR was very nice winner because I get even logged in some profit. MU was a smaller winner. Okay, LUNR again checking. Just a second. Just need my glasses to be cleaned. Fantastic. All right. Now let's see LUNR. Now I see the charts. I'm just kidding. I saw the chart so far too. LUNR. Volume problem again, Buzak, volume problem. QXO, checking, just a second, QXO. It looks so tempting, like this is what I'm telling you, on days like that where the volume is still light, this is the problem that there are setups. There are really good looking setups, like really nice setups. But if I cannot find enough volume, like especially based on the daily, it's I'm not talking about it's a 3.6 million, it's a huge volume, but I am just comparing it to the daily chart. And on the daily chart, it's quite only a little bit more than average volume. So there is a chance, but a lower chance. So in this case, you can do two things: not taking the trade, or you go with the trade over the highest point of the day, because definitely not under it. I would go only over 1824 and act as a scalper. So if it's going to 50, 45, you just take a quick 80% stop loss under the entry. And if it goes, great. If it stops, you had a nice scalp. Nothing else we can do with this type of market, I think. QXO checking, QXO and AMD, just a second. Oh my God, QXO, what a perfect, yes, you are right. This is the type of the VWAP reversal, which I'm going to make a screenshot and definitely teach it during my classes. Okay, AMD. AMD, I'm just checking MSTR. Now I do regret that I did not take Tesla. It was a nice one, although it's maybe continues, maybe not, but that was a good one. I always forgot that Tesla, anyway, it's doing what it wants, right? So AMD, no, it's too much to the downside. Maybe just a scalp, until it's fully filling the gap back to this 223 something. I would not take it for a short now, Buzak. No, for me at least, it's a bit too extended now. I'm going to keep an eye on MSTR. If it goes back over the VWAP, might it can have a second chance trade on there. CVX on 160 looks like as a possible bottom reversal. It was a good decision that I did not take SNDK. It was way too nervous, and the market still cannot decide on new high or no new daily high. And 620 is still a problem with the triple Q. And 688 with the SPY, as I see. All right, traders, a hard tradable market today. So as I've told you, I'm taking as many trades as the market let me, let's call it like that, but I'm not an overtrader, not always. No, I'm trying not to be an overtrader. I was hoping for more trades, which doesn't mean there won't be any more trades because this is just 40 minutes went by. However, we need finally this market to move, which doesn't really want to move at the moment. So we need to break 620 and we need to break 688, the two levels on the SPY and the triple Q. Now let's see, J and J is still weak. I can it's hurting me to see this big drop which I was expecting on my Friday's trade. AVGO is back to the VWAP. We can watch this, for example, AVGO. Amazon Meta still on the list, Amazon Meta, but they are a bit extended now. How about Oracle? ORCL. Oof, wow, it's a drop. Okay, CVX can be possible a reversal here. I don't know yet. I'm going to watch it. SNDK, I don't want to trade that. How about Disney? I've seen Disney as well. Disney, which was weak. It was quite weak in the beginning of the pre-market. Now it's getting stronger. Nice. All right. Guys, I cannot see anything at the moment which I would say that, oh yeah, this is what I want to try and check it. So I'm just checking again the gainers and losers list. You can check, for example, the sectors as well. Like there is a great website, the Sector Spider, and you can check which sector is the strongest or the weakest. And you can just get, some great ideas from that. VLO is going up. Oklo was very strong today, traders. OKLO is up 10%. Bit too much now. I think I'm going to put back Oklo on our watch list, guys. Look at the daily of the Oklo. It's just making a possible 200 EMA reversal on the daily. I like this. Not for the day trade now, but for tomorrow for more opportunities. Okta is here too. Okta was really strong today. KTOS, HL, of course, Hecla Mining, AEHR. Oof, Amazon is breaking out again. Maybe even Meta is going to make this breakout now. Market closer to the highs, looking like stronger. Meta. No, I cannot find Meta. Here we are. 50 EMA. I can't believe this. 50 EMA in our way. That's not good. Tesla. Now I really regret I did not take your beautiful call. Really nice call. 452. Alamu, I hope you are in already or still, to be precise. I've told you he's a really good Tesla trader. Okay, market still completely muted. CDE is going up. BLDR. This is $111 stock. But not the best. Still in. Very good. Well done. Beautiful. VWAP reversal on the Tesla. Duolingo doesn't look bad either, but again, I was happy for the pre-market volume. Just a second, traders. I was happy for the pre-market volume, but since then it did not went up so much. So that's not a good one. MSTR, I still keep an eye on it. Hi, good morning to you. Okay, traders, if you have any questions, any great opportunities, setups, please just share it with the group and we can have a look because so far market is, oh my goodness. I'm even afraid to check the daily chart of the SPY. I'm afraid I won't see the daily candle because it's so small. I knew it is. Come on, bulls or bears or whoever. We need some move. Microsoft. This Microsoft is really trying, but I still cannot see volume. CVX, yeah, I was mentioning, Charlie, the CVX for a possible bottom reversal on this 160. It made it, but without green volume. This concerns me a bit regarding the reversal. Yeah, Mr. Brackage, I don't know where they just disappeared. After the nice big push in the pre-market, not anymore. Okay, but regarding the CVX, if some bulls are going to join the party finally, 161 can be an interesting level there. 161. Google, Microsoft still can be an interesting levels too, like for longs, but pathetic volume. Microsoft is still on this 473.50, but we really need more buyers and maybe act as a scalper on the Microsoft too. Market looking more and more stronger, but it's still not enough. Still not enough at all. It's annoying. But coin, nothing. MSTR is not doing anything. Bitcoin is still strong though. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Still nice and strong. That's why I'm still watching MSTR. But SLV, which I did not take at the end, it moved back too much. No strengths in the market, unfortunately. It just gave up. C on M is very strong. Too late. Already at 1.50% higher. No volume. Unity. No market, breakout or no breakout? If there will be a breakout, we can watch. SNDK looks long as well. We can watch still this Microsoft, I think, but only over 473.50. 473.50. So this Microsoft still can be interesting, I think. 473.55. And again, I'm staying today with half share size, guys. It's just this market has not convinced me completely. LUNR, yes, Nitsan, it was a question already. I still tell you it looks very tempting, especially because of the daily. And again, if you, I'm not going to take it because I feel like it's a scalp trade as well, and I'd rather go with Microsoft in this case. And it needs much more buyers to join the party here. It can be a nice scalp or even go higher, but I would act as a scalper on that stock, first of all. You are already Buzak, good luck with that. As I've told you, I would buy it anyway, 18 to 25, go for 20 cents, and let's see whether it can still go higher. Okay. 50. Okay, now let's see Microsoft. Meta, Amazon, amazing. Very nice, unstoppable, and market on the edge again with breaking out over the daily high and fantastic call from Alamo on Tesla. Amazing. $4 in the money over 452. Viva reversal. And I'm watching. Maybe Microsoft can make this breakout here. And the market, definitely if the market is making the breakout, that can be a great move the rest of the stocks. Amazon is still moving higher, amazing, very strong. Netflix, from red to green, look at that. Nice try for a reversal. Apple. I'm watching Apple because it has definitely an impact on the market. It made a very nice reversal on this 270. I mean intraday breakout even. It was a nice scalp. But now it's just giving up again. Such a contradictory move. I don't like it. MU is getting from weaker to stronger. If you took CVX, good luck with that, Charlie. This one 61. Even SMCI looks like as a possible reversal and NVDA. But again, market. We need the market. SMCI. Not my favorite. All right, traders. So I would say this is a quite of a strong start for the market. It was a strong start, but not a strong continuation yet, unfortunately. In this environment, it's really hard to find very good setups, reliable setups. So I was having only 2 trades so far, which is not too many at all, but at least in green. And I missed Tesla because of the fear of the news and the 30 minutes. MSTR is back over the VWAP as well. We can watch it for a second. Chance trade, which one? It's on PRTR. Checking. PRTR. Yeah, that was so weak on Friday, wasn't it? Yes, if we go down maybe under 173, but so far market is really getting stronger. Let's see. On the MSTR, I'm just watching this 166 level maybe. Not very happy with the volume though. And the fact that still this, you know what, this 20 EMA on the daily doesn't look good. Like it touched the 20 EMA a little bit, pushed over, but it just stopped after that. Shoo. Still keep an eye on it. So MSTR at the moment, I would say it's 166.20 only. I mean to enter. Microsoft, I'm not sure if it's going to enter at all. Google was just a quick scalp too. MU on the VWAP. And the market on the highs, but no breakout yet. And going back to my gainers losers list, just to find something nice for you and for myself too. Where is my gainers losers list? No, I lost it. Tools. We have the tools and the gainers losers list. Okay, SMR is still strong. Oklo, as I've told, Oklo, Okta, we need to watch them tomorrow as well, traders. SLV not doing too much. And the weak stocks, light. We know about light. Venom. CSIQ and run. Oh yeah. Solar stocks continuing lower as I see. Sunrun. Okay, so far nothing. Market still no decision. Ooh, run big red day. MU, look at MU. MU again starting to be stronger. Amazing this stock is. At the end, we will have a green day again. What a surprise. SMR, yes, I've seen that several times, okay. I missed the VWAP reversal. Now it's too much for me again. I like to buy it closer to the VWAP. And now it's just a bit far away from the VWAP. And on the $19 area. But this is definitely a stock, you are right, which if it's starting to go, it really goes. But not my risk reward ratio, unfortunately, not for my risk reward ratio. MSTR traders, it just made another rejection on the 166, so no entry yet. And Microsoft, unfortunately, it's not doing anything. However, your PLTR, Nitsan, your PLTR, now it's moving a bit lower, but no, I feel like, that no A plus setups we have at the moment at least. Maybe after like 11:30, but for that we really need the market direction first. It doesn't matter when it's going to happen. We just need it. Nice call on CVX still, Charlie. It's going for a partialing point now on the CVX. How about XOM? XOM. Ooh, okay. That made a bottom reversal too. Halliburton. Whale company again. HAL looks like no entry, but maybe I would go for the oil stocks again in the second part of the day, guys. Look at that. Unfortunately, I have to leave in like 5 minutes, but I'm telling you what I would check if I would stay trading. MSTR still in the play if it goes over 166.20 again. Microsoft still looks good, at least for a scalp. And oil stocks like CVX, let's see whether CVX Exxon can go back over the VWAP. That can be still a good one. So only 2 trades for today on my side. But Green, how is your day doing so far? Please just let me know. I just do the poll. It was not an easy day for today. And I will have green, red, and the usuals. Green, red, break even, and no trade. I mean, as this is the just blah, leave me alone. Okay, now let's see. And you know what? If you have not even touched a button, I completely understand you guys. I do, really do. I was extra careful today because of the fact, as I've told you, I am still expecting the market to be back on track with like nice volume, nice moves, just from middle of the week or rather next week, hopefully even earlier. I think I'm still going to try this Microsoft just for a quick 50-cent scalp, something like that. But I think that's it. NVIDIA doesn't look good. It looks quite weak. Apple is not on the top either. I don't know, such a strange day today. So I think the wisest decision it was like watching and learning today. And I guess we are going to be like 50-50 on the green red, which on a day like that, I would say is still quite okay. It's a very hard trading day today in the morning at least. Now let's see, 40-40, yeah, and 25% no trade. Wise decision. No break-evens yet. Hopefully from the reds there will be some more break-evens. Okay, there is a break-even. That's good. This is an anonymous poll trader, so if you just would like to share for me feedback as well and for the room, that they are not alone if someone is in red or in break-even or something like that, that's quite of a good feedback. However, as a trader, I never suggest you to compare yourself to anyone, okay? Because every trader has his or her own unique way in trading. You cannot speed it up, you cannot slow it down, it just depends on you. And the market is breaking out. Finally, something is happening. Apple 270, yeah, this intraday breakout was very nice, the first one. Let's see how does it look like now, Luis. Okay, Apple, yep, that can be a nice reversal, but only over 270.10 for me. I mean on the setup. It looks, but look at that intraday breakout over 270 before, and now the market is breaking out finally. Traders or Microsoft is looking much better now. A little bit more volume, and if the market is able to continue higher, that can be a nice one. Still keep an eye on Microsoft, MSTR. MU is over the VWAP as well. Amazing. Tesla very strong. CVX fighting with the VWAP. Apple not bad. But we really need to stay above 620 with the triple Q and continue. If it's not able to do that, still no longs. Okay, so 33% in green, 27 red, 13 break even, and there were some traders who just made a wise decision. Don't touch this crazy market, at least so far. It's 27, fantastic. It's still very nice, I would say. Don't be disappointed for a red day because this is definitely a typical day to win on the green side. The most important thing that your red, it should be like manageable, okay? Like not a big red day. This is extremely important, guys, at the end of the day. All right, traders. So that's it for today. I really enjoyed trading with you as every day. Of course, this week is finally a full trading week of the first first full trading week of 2026. The volume, as I told you, I'm not sure it's going to be the real deal, but we are going to be here and trying our best, definitely with less than more trades and a lower share size to be a little bit more careful. However, from Wednesday, I am expecting a better market, as I've told you, especially because of the labor market news. If you are state trading, just keep it on the low side, be patient with the trades, be really like on the lower share size, and more learning today than trading. But learning is always an important part of a trader. Again, congratulations for the raffle winners. I'm very happy for you guys. And as I've told you, you are going to be communicated everything via email. And I think our account managers are going to call you too. And of course, you are more than welcome to join us every day here in the YouTube TEFS Trading Room. If you have any questions, please just drop me an email at agi@tefs.com. And again, guys, if you have any great tradable stocks which you cannot trade on the TEFS platform, but you want days to be open by the opening bell, then please just drop me an email before the stream starts, even hours if you are living in the European time zone. I'm more than happy to push it through the risk management team. And MNTS, I still cannot trade it, I think, Nitsam, but let me just check it. MNTS, no, no, I cannot trade it. I cannot trade it. Okay, I'm going to ask it again. Okay, traders, so it was a pleasure to trade with you. Keep an eye on Microsoft MSTR second or Microsoft first trade, MSTR second trade over 166.20.30. And again, good luck with the Apple as well. I would go still for some scalps first, at least with the first 70, 80%, 70, 75% of the share size. Market looking a little bit more better now and breaking out finally, but we need to see a continuation. Go get your money, just take your money and run type of a market today. Hopefully it's getting better by the time. 50 cents. Nice. Very well done. Humble Ninja, no trade so far. Wise decision. I'm telling you, really. As you could see, I had only like two trades. On the poll, we have 50-50, which on a trading day or morning, first hour especially, it's completely okay. I wish you a beautiful rest of your day, a green one at the end, and manage your losses. If you have a red day, the most important thing, keep it low. Have a great one, guys. Stay safe and see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Thank you.